Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello everyone, myself Rahul Mishra and I welcome you all on the official YouTube channel of Entries. Student, in this video I am going to discuss the IBPS Clerk 2020 job profile, salary and promotion. Student, this video will be very informative for all those candidates, those who are aiming for IBPS Clerk 2020. Okay, so let's start the video and let's check out what is the job profile of IBPS Clerk and what are the chances of promotions and what salary they get. Okay, so student, as we all well aware that the IBPS has recently released the notification of IBPS Clerk 2020. Okay, so here we are discussing the IBPS Clerk salary structure, perks, promotion, allowances, etc. Okay, so first we will discuss the IBPS Clerk salary 2020. So the basic pay of an IBPS clerk is 11,765 per month. Okay, the pay scale of IBPS clerk is rupees 11,765 when you newly join to the bank. Okay, and maximum basic pay will go according to this pay structure is rupees 31,540, and this basic pay will be only given after successfully completing of services in terms of years by an IBPS clerk. Okay. In addition to this, IBPS clerks are also entitled to other special pay and allowances. So first, as we all know that basic pay is 11,765, special allowances is 1,561, DA is 7,073, CCA is 0 and TA is 425. So the total amount without HRA will become 21,424 and HRA is 980. If you include the HRA amount in the total amount, the gross salary will become 22,404. Okay. Now what is DA? DA means DNS allowance. What is CCA? City compensatory allowance. TA, transport allowance. HRA, house rent allowance. Okay, so all these allowances you will get. It will be included in your basic pay, as you can see over here. Now we will talk about DNS allowances. DA is 4% of basic pay and revised quarterly for every 3 months, which is based on CPI, that is Consumer Price Index, declared by the banks. So DA is revised after every 3 months and it is calculated on the basic pay. Okay. HRA is 7 to 9% of basic pay. HRA is different in different cities. In metro cities you will get HRA, that is 8.5% of the basic pay. In the cities with the population more than 5 lakh, you will get 7.5% of HRA, which is calculated on basic pay. Okay, and on the other cities, which means excluding metro cities and the cities with population more than 5 lakh. Okay, apart from these two categories, the rest other cities will be fall on this percentage, that is 6.5%. Okay, so you will get 6.5% HRA on other cities. Now special allowances you will get, that is 7.5%. After completion of the 1 year service, you will have an increment of rupees 400 and rupees 500, the increment in second year. Okay, after the 10th bipartite wage settlement of 2015, a bank clerk salary has increased from now rupees 21,339 to rupees 23,170. Okay, now we will talk about the salary slip. See, if we see the salary slip, you will have the basic pay of rupees 13,075, which is after the 2 increment, the increment which I have already told you. Okay, so this salary you will get in your salary slip. Now we will talk about IBPS clerk job profile. Being a entry level post, IBPS clerk is a post that offers a lot of learning as well as the opportunities. The more you learn, the more opportunities come your way, which will take you towards early growth. Okay. So now we will talk about the role and responsibility in IBPS clerk job profile, which are explained below. First is verification of various documents and proofs submitted by the customer. So document verification is done by the IBPS clerk. Responsible for bank cash, various important documents, keys, etc. Okay. Sanctioning of withdrawals by the customer. Maintaining the various documents of bank, balance sheets, ledger, etc. So document maintenance is also done. Resolving the various issues of the customer. Okay. Issuing of demand drafts, bank accounts for the customer, cash receipts, etc. Providing information about the latest schemes and government policies. Providing guidance to customers relating to various banking activities. So customer guidance is also a part of IBPS clerk job. Okay. Attending to the treasury works, updating the passbook of accounts holder, resolving queries of the customer, and other miscellaneous tasks. So these are the roles and responsibility of IBPS clerk. Okay. Now we will talk about IBPS clerk promotion. So first you will be recruited as clerk. After clerk, you will be promoted to officer or assistant manager, which is known as PO. Okay. After that, manager. Then after manager, senior manager. Then chief manager. Then assistant general manager. Then after that, deputy manager, and then general manager. IBPS clerk offers a good salary, a settled job, and great chances of growth. Based on the performance, the promotion and the growth is quite attractive. However, a minimum 2 years of service is required to get eligible for promotion. Okay. So from bank clerk to PO, you should at least work minimum of 2 years in your specified bank. Okay. After 2 years of service, IBPS clerks get promoted once in every 2 years. Promotions are given the following two process. Okay. So after 2 years, the clerk promotion is being done, and the promotion is done on the basis of these two processes which is given below. Okay. First one is normal process. What is normal process? Candidate who get promoted through this process don't require JAIIB and CAIIB diploma. So these two are the diploma course which is required by the bank employees to get promoted. Okay. IBPS clerks are promoted based on the experience and seniority, and the written exam is conducted internally. Okay. So on the basis of the work experience and seniority, seniority means how much years you have devoted to this job. Okay. On the basis of that, a written exam is conducted. If you qualify, then you will get promoted. Okay. After qualification of the written exam, IBPS clerk become trainee officer and then probationary officer. So you have to qualify the exam. After that, you will become the probationary officer. Now second one is merit based. Merit based process requires a candidate to have JAIIB and CAIIB diploma from Indian Institute of Banking and Finance. Okay. So you need to avail these two diploma to get promoted on the basis of merit. Okay. And all these process of promotions will be done after completion of 2 years of service. Okay. So thank you very much, student. This is enough for today's video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Okay, student, for practice these type of question, you need to download our entry app. The link is given in the description box. When you download it, it will ask you the login detail. When you fill the login detail, you will get the interface like this. On our entry app, you will not only get the reasoning section quizzes, but also different subject quizzes which are relevant for your exam, such as quantitative aptitude, English, and general awareness. All these quizzes are being updated regularly. If you want to practice, what you have to do? You have to go in the practice section where you will get interface like this. Okay, you can click on the exam which you are preparing. After clicking on this, you will get your free mock test. Okay, so let's suppose you have clicked on SBI Clerk 2020. Okay, after clicking it, you will see the interface like this. Our app will ask you, are you preparing for SBI Clerk 2020? Then simply click on yes. Okay, then you will see the number of courses related to SBI Clerk 2020. You can attempt any of these course related to SBI Clerk 2020. Okay, let us suppose you have clicked on model exam. If you clicked on model exam, you will see the window like this or interface like this. Okay, in model exam section, you will see the number of mocks. Okay, you can attempt any of this mock because it is available free on our app. Okay, let's suppose you clicked on mock 18. Okay, after clicking it, you will get interface like this where it will show you the number of questions in that mock and total time allotted to it and the total number of marks. Okay, after attempting it, you will see the interface like this where you can see the number of questions correct by you and the wrong done by you and total number of question which is unanswered. Okay, after this you will see this analytic window. Okay, this is very important because by seeing this only you will be able to analyze your weak areas and work on it. Okay student, if you like my tricks given in this video, you can purchase our premium classes which is available only on the Entry app, where I have taken various chapters like inequalities, puzzles and so on. By purchasing our premium classes, you will not be able to improve your weak areas, but also your marks in examination will also get improved. And student, you are getting another benefit also by downloading our app, that is you can attempt free daily quizzes and you can attempt live IBPS RRB rank booster quizzes as well. And daily live quiz is available at 10 a.m. on our app, and you will get daily 15 questions and time will be allotted to you, that is 15 minutes. So must download our app to boost your scores. Okay student, if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe it. Okay, if you like our video, just give a thumbs up. Do not forget to comment and do share our video to your friends and other those who are preparing so that they can also avail the benefit provided by the Entry. Okay, see you in the next video student. Till then, take care. Bye bye.